I'm 17 years old from Israel. I just climbed the Annapurna circuit, got to Thorong La Pass. Very happy to be here. Did it for the challenge. I can't describe my feelings. I'm like really excited.
How do you feel on the highest pass of the world?
Amazing. Like I can't describe it. It's so amazing.
From where you heard about the Thorong La Pass and about Nepal?
I heard from Nepal about Nepal from my mom. She was here when she was younger, and my father, he told me that he wants to do like crazy climb. So he told me about this Annapurna circuit, and I told him, let's go, let's do it.
Is this your first time in Nepal?
Yeah, first time.
So what will be your suggestion for your friends in Israel?
They all like told me they're very jealous. They all want to be in Nepal, and like the Israeli culture, you can see it in a lot of places in Nepal, like in some game cards. And yeah, a lot of friends told me they want to do like treks like this too.
Hi, I'm Vitali. I'm from Israel. I'm Miki's father, and I really like trekking, and I like mountains. But I never was in such high mountains. I've been trekking Alps and Kafkas and some Balkan and a bit in US and of course in Israel. But that's a completely different experience. So I really wanted it, and Nepal is really popular in Israel.
How you came to know about Nepal in Israel? By your friends or family or?
Yeah, so my wife, she was here in Nepal, and she told great things. And as I said, Nepal is very popular in Israel, so you hear, when actually we started to prepare, and we said, okay, I started to tell people, yeah, we are going to an Annapurna circuit. People starting to tell me, yeah, I was there in 1990. I was there in 2005. Yeah, like everyone was there. Okay, fine, let's do it.
My name is Markus. I'm coming from Germany. This is my wife, Doreen.
Yes, my name is Doreen from Germany.
And yeah, we are. I'm 54.
And I am 51. Is this your first time in Nepal?
Our first time in Nepal. We have started in the Sahara Annapurna circuit, and now it's yeah, our finish. We want to do it for ourselves.
And we are very proud.
Yeah.
Very proud. How you come to know about Nepal?
I see a lot of videos, and I think one in a lifetime I want to do this.
Yes, it's a wonderful landscape and yes.
Yeah. The most people in Germany say, "Oh, it's too high. You cannot do it."
You can't do it, but we can.
Want to.
So what are you feeling right now to be in the world highest pass, and that is Thorong La Pass?
When we arrived this, we both cried. We cried really.
What made you cry? What made you emotional? Is this because of the altitude? Because you were able to do your mission successfully, or what made you?
Yes, this is our success.
Yeah, it's a step in our lifetime.
Yeah.
The last years for us was not so good, and
Yeah.
Thank you so much for